Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe Math TikTok PH. Thank you so much.
Hello students, happy learning! Okay, so at the end of the presentation, so kailangan nyo pong matulungan sa pagre-review. Okay, ito po ulit ang ating reviewer para sa quarter 1, this coming periodical test on September 23 and 24. Okay, so ano naman yung ating babalikan or re-reviewin ngayon? Okay, part 2, we have the application of percentage, use of rates, rational numbers, andyan yung mga operation. Okay, so ito po yung mga naituro ng mathematics teacher nyo sa buong quarter 1. Okay, so kung hindi pa po natin napapanood yung ating part 1 of reviewer, nandun po yung ating geometry. Okay, ito naman yung nakapaloob doon sa reviewer, regular and irregular polygons and their features, characteristics, or properties. Second, determination of measures of angles and number of sides of polygons. So kung hindi pa po natin napapanood, pwede nyo pong balikan sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, so with that, let's have the part 2 reviewer. Or pwede po tayong kumuha ng ating ballpen, scratch paper, or papel para makasabay po kayo sa ating pagre-review. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, for number 6 to 10, are you ready? Okay. Okay, continue for number 11 to 15. Ready? Okay, for number 16 to 20, ready? Okay, for number 21 to 24, ready? Okay, continue for number 25 to 28. Okay, for number 29 to 32, continue. Okay, for the last items, 33 to 35. Continue. Okay, so with that, I hope nakatulong po sa atin or sana matulungan po kayo sa video lesson or video recorded po na ito sa pagre-review. Okay, so babalikan po natin yung ating part 1 at part 2. Pag pinagsama po natin itong part 1 and part 2, that will become your similar sa periodical test. So kaya mag-aral po mabuti, grade 7 students, and good luck, okay, sa inyong periodical. With that, happy learning and bye-bye everyone.